In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Higgsfield AI subscription. By following these instructions, you will successfully navigate the process to access enhanced features and limits available in higher subscription tiers. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Ensure you are on the homepage where you will see options for the AI video generator and image generator. This is the starting point for upgrading your subscription. Next, locate the free plan button on the homepage. Clicking this button will take you to the subscription options available. After the page loads, you should see various plans listed along with their features and pricing. Following that, click on the upgrade button, which is typically found on the subscription page. This action will redirect you to a screen that highlights the benefits of upgrading your plan. Take a moment to review the features before proceeding. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Upgrade Your Plan and click on it. This will initiate the upgrade process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that you're about to unlock additional features and higher usage limits. After that, select the option that states along higher limits and additional features. This step is crucial as it ensures you are aware of the advantages that come with the upgrade. A new screen will appear outlining the plans you can choose from. Now, you will see different plan options, starting with Basic. Click on Basic to view its specific features and pricing. This plan usually offers essential tools for users who require a moderate level of service. Next, click on the Pro option to consider a more advanced plan. This plan typically includes additional features that may benefit power users or those with more extensive needs. Continue by selecting the Ultimate plan. This option is designed for users seeking the maximum capabilities offered by Higgsfield AI. Review the features carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. Next, click on the Creator plan if you are looking for features tailored for content creators. This plan often includes unique tools suited for advanced multimedia projects. Finally, click on the Select Plan button to finalize your choice. This action will take you to the payment screen where you can enter your billing information, ensure that you have reviewed your selected plan and its features before proceeding to payment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.